Burning Rubber, Unraveling the Mystery. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, burn rubber. It's a phrase you might hear in movies, songs, or everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can really boost your English language skills. So, let's get started. Burn rubber is an idiomatic expression that originally comes from the world of automobiles. When a car speeds off so quickly that its tires heat up and produce smoke, it's said to burn rubber. This smoke is often a result of the tire's friction against the road surface. The phrase conveys a sense of urgency and speed. While it started with cars, burn rubber is now used in various contexts. It's a metaphor for acting quickly or leaving a place in a hurry. For example, if someone says, "I need to burn rubber to catch my flight," it means they need to hurry to catch their flight, not that they're literally speeding off in a car. It's important to note that this phrase is informal and often used in casual conversations. You might hear burn rubber in movies, especially in action scenes involving car chases. It's also used in songs, often to convey a sense of excitement or urgency. Understanding these references can enrich your comprehension of English in entertainment contexts. Here are some tips for using this phrase. Remember, it's informal. Use it to express urgency or quick action. It can be used both literally, for cars, and metaphorically, for any quick action. That's all about burn rubber. It's a fun, expressive phrase that adds flavor to your English speaking and understanding. I hope this video has been helpful and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll be burning rubber in your English learning journey in no time.